Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Lucid software using the Lucid app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the Lucid software using the Lucid app, start by launching the app on your device. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon, usually found at the top corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the navigation options. Look for the section labeled Settings and select it. In the Settings menu, find the Software Update option. Tap on the Software Update to check for the latest version available. The app will automatically search for updates. If an update is available, a prompt will appear with details about the new version. Read the update notes to understand what improvements or fixes have been made. To proceed with the update, tap the Download button. The download process will take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, a prompt will notify you that the installation can begin. Confirm your choice to install the update by tapping the Install button. The installation process will start, and your device may restart during this time. After the installation is complete, the app will notify you that your software is up to date. You can now resume using the Lucid app with the latest features and improvements. If you encounter any issues during the update, refer to the app's support section for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.